An electronically commutated motor, also called an X13 or ECM blower motor, is a brushless direct current motor with an external control module that uses variable speed control, unlike permanent split capacitor motors. These motors use direct current three-phase windings that the external control module converts from the air conditioner or furnace 24-volt control signal into precise timing and current for each phase, so the motor runs smoothly across a wide speed range. To troubleshoot, first, confirm the control lead is receiving 24 volts between the control and common at the hub, with the system calling for fan operation. Then observe hub diagnostic LEDs or blink codes while listening for normal bearing. Noise. If the motor is unresponsive, use a capacitor bypass tool or manufacturer service harness to apply a known good control pulse to the hub rather than injecting line voltage directly into the windings, which can cause permanent damage. Bearings and rotor current leakage can still create noise, so check insulation resistance and spin the rotor by hand with power removed to feel for roughness. When replacing components, match the motor part number and hub firmware family, because many motors require specific commutation profiles and connectors for safe operation. For field testing, carry a digital voltmeter, an insulation tester, a service harness that isolates the hub, and the manufacturer troubleshooting sheet to follow pinouts and error codes precisely. Technicians commonly mistake an ECM for a simple capacitor motor and try to measure run capacitor values, which will not help, so test the hub control signal and swap the hub if suspected faulty. Another frequent issue is applying line voltage directly to the windings or the hub, which can destroy the electronic module, so always isolate and use the correct service harness or follow the manufacturer bypass procedure. A third common error is assuming noisy operation is always a motor windings problem. Check bearings, shaft misalignment, and induced vibration from the system first, and replace the hub only after verifying the hub actually receives valid control inputs and shows error indications. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work with modern motors and share practical installation and troubleshooting experiences. We connect contractors with job opportunities and host a discussion community where installers and homeowners exchange tips and ask specific technical questions.